Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how YouTube Shorts handles thumbnails. Currently, creators cannot select a custom thumbnail for their shorts. YouTube automatically generates a still frame from your video to serve as its thumbnail. This selection happens during the upload process, so you don't have direct control over it after publishing. Understanding this limitation is key for optimizing your shorts content. You might wonder why this feature isn't available. YouTube Shorts are designed for quick, on-the-go viewing, emphasizing rapid content delivery. Adding a custom thumbnail step could slow down the upload process for creators and potentially impact the seamless viewing experience for millions of users. The platform aims to keep the creation and consumption of shorts as efficient as possible. While you can't pick a custom thumbnail, you can influence the automatic selection. A great strategy is to ensure your short has a visually engaging moment within the first few seconds, perhaps the first 1 to 3 seconds. Place any key text or a compelling visual early on. By editing your video thoughtfully, you can increase the chances of YouTube selecting a strong, attention-grabbing frame. The good news is that YouTube is constantly evolving and adding new features based on creator feedback. It's possible that custom thumbnail options for shorts could be introduced in a future update. We recommend staying informed by regularly checking the official YouTube Creator Studio announcements and community forums. Your feedback helps shape the platform's future, so keep an eye out for potential changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.